to be prayed in the morning, Goddess Mother Saraswati. Dear students, good morning. Most welcome to YouTube channel of ML Kaushik, an educationist and motivator. In the process of teaching, today I am giving you introduction of advertisement. What is advertisement? It is to be looked into by us. Actually, there is the newspaper. In the newspaper, there are different things. There are reports, and along with reports, there are advertisements. In advertisements, let us see, when we see newspaper, there is half page advertisement, there is full page advertisement, there is a quarter page advertisement. Actually, these advertisements are called display. Again, I am telling you, these advertisements which are full page, half page, quarter page are called display advertisements. And there are other advertisements. In your syllabus there is advertisement that is classified. The word limit of classified advertisement, that is only 50, and that is to convey the message, whatever we want to convey to the related persons. Now, I would like to tell you the third one. There is classified, and some words are added, more than 50, and that is highlighted. Then the particular advertisement is called classified display. Now I am taking your advertisement classified, which one is in your syllabus. First of all, regarding characteristics, the word limit, that is 50. Let it be kept in box, and outlines are to be highlighted. There is no rule of grammar. Only the words are set to make the meaning clear, so that the reader may understand for what that particular advertisement has been published. Now I want to tell you the types of classified advertisement. In classified advertisement there are 10 types. First one, there is sale. When any item is for sale, then there is advertisement for sale. Second, that is purchase. It means if we want to purchase anything, then we give ad in newspaper. Next one, that is lost. When any article, anything is lost, then we give advertisement in newspaper. And next one, that is found. When anything is lost, then we also give advertisement, and when we find anything, then we also give an advertisement informing to the owner. And next one, situation vacant. When there is a vacancy in any school, in any company, factory, then this advertisement is published in newspaper. Next one is situation wanted. It means when any person who is educated, well educated, and he wants job, then this is situation wanted. And next one, there is to let, any portion which is to let, maybe koti, car, bungalow, portion, house. And next one, there is a required on rent. If any person wants any portion, koti, car, bungalow on rent, then there will be advertisement in newspaper. And ninth one, there is matrimonial. In matrimonial, alliance invited for girl. And 10th, alliance invited for boy. So, dear students, these are your 10 advertisement in your syllabus. And again I tell you, there must be fair handwriting, must be in box, and outlines are to be highlighted. The word limit, that is 50. I have made here clear only the types of advertisement. Then I will take in further lectures these advertisements in detail, one by one. Thank you very much. Namaskar.